Welcome to this quick guide on how to create a real estate map with filters for price, location, and property type using MAPOG. In today's fast-moving real estate world, buyers want more. They want to explore properties visually based on their specific needs. MAPOG is an intuitive, beginner-friendly tool that lets you build customized real estate maps. To get started, go to story.mapog.com. Click on Create New Map and choose the category Map Type. Give your map a title and a short description, then hit Save. Next, go to the Add Story section. Click Add manually, then go to Category Settings, create categories, such as 2 BHK under 1 crore. After that, use the search bar to find your target location and draw a polygon around it using the Polygon Tool. Add a title, write a brief description, and upload relevant images. Now, select Type Settings and create a new polygon type called Property Details. Add attributes like property size, price, then save it. Now select the type and fill details and save your work. Now customize the polygon using Polygon Customization. Add labels, color code it, and set the polygon height between 50 and 100 for better 3D look. To make your map even more informative, enable the Nearby feature in Point Settings to display nearby amenities. Use the Distance tool from Toolbox to show distance between the property and the amenity. Then, go to Add Nearby Points, enter the name, choose the appropriate icons, add the distance, and save. Once your map is ready, go to Preview and Share. Make it public and share directly to your website, blog, or social media platform. Need help? Email us at support@mapog.com.